Hi, I'm Sister Mercedes.
And I'm Sister Peter Thomas. Welcome to Manners Monday.
Today we're going to give you some tips about giving directions.
So whether you're teaching somebody a new board game, passing on a skill like driving or swimming, or just telling somebody how to get to your house, this is a good way to break it down. Plus, it's biblical. Acts 11:4. And Peter began to explain it to them step by step.
Thanks, Sister Peter Thomas.
You're so welcome.
First off, you can't give what you don't have, can't teach what you don't know. So make sure you actually know what you're going to teach for the directions.
You want to batch or chunk information, like with like. Don't give things to them just randomly. Think about what pieces of information go together that they'll be able to take in.
Next, go step by step. Don't tell someone what your house looks like when they haven't even started getting there yet. And when you're telling about a board game, don't tell them how to score it without telling them how to start.
You want to take these steps slowly and be patient and take breaks if you need to.
Another great thing to do is check for understanding. You can have the person repeat back some of the steps to you, but also just ask questions and see where they are in the directions.
Spoken like a true teacher.
We
Thanks
try.
for joining us for Manners Monday.
Okay, directions. Like and subscribe. 2 steps.
You got this. See you next time.
See ya.